The Engino STEM and Robotics Mini education set combines the core subjects of STEM along with robotics.
STEM education is a framework for awakening curiosity, fueling creativity and interest in problem solving by bringing theory to life through experiments, building, coding, and fun.
The STEM and Robotics Mini education set is especially designed for primary school students of ages 6 through 9, developing communication, teamwork, flexibility, and creativity. The set comes in a convenient plastic storage tub that contains a large number of technical parts and colorful building blocks, allowing the construction of 38 STEM models. Introduction to coding starts with manual programming that combines STEM experimental challenges that develop critical 21st century skills. Engino has developed Qboidz, a user-friendly software that allows multiple methods of programming depending on students' capabilities. Robots can be programmed through Bluetooth connection to smart devices or by any PC through a USB cable.
Programming is one of the most valuable skills for the next generation, and I love to see my students code with such an ease. The flow diagram is created simply by drag and drop the blocks, and parallel tasks could not be done easier. So this is what I need in my classroom: fast implementation, which is clear to my students.
Children attain cognitive skills through a pedagogically tested methodology. It starts from manual programming, moves to drag and drop flow diagram with the addition of sensors, conditional statements and logic gates, which ultimately leads them to textual language programming.
We have developed this set to make robotics and programming accessible to all teachers, regardless of their background. And we have emphasized to provide a tool that will easily teach programming, as it is one of the most valuable skills of the 21st century. Everything in nature is based on algorithms, from the photosynthesis process to the interior of stars and the supernova collapsing. It's all about code, and this is what we aim to teach the children, an easy way to understand the basic concepts.
Talk about industrial crane. Does anybody knows what industrial crane is?
Students will be engaged in STEM and robotic principles in fun, exciting, and interesting ways. Educators can follow the lesson plans to carry out the experiments while referring to the handbook for more detailed explanations of the different scientific principles applied.
Engino solutions help me provide the real STEM experience to my students.
So Engino is a system that takes the child from the early age and develops with the child.
The award-winning Engino building system allows multi-level assembly. Cubic blocks can be simply stacked vertically or sideways to explore the 3D space. Qboidz bricks can connect to a range of beams, allowing a more detailed construction. The standard Engino system is compatible with Qboidz parts so that kids can create more complex technical models. The compatibility of bricks, beams, and technical parts extends to electronic parts and the construction of programmable robots.